Are you worried about starting a YouTube channel? Are you worried? Do you really want to start a YouTube channel, but you're worried that you don't have the equipment, the necessary equipment to start a YouTube channel, or you don't have a fancy place where you can film your videos? As you see, many creators being in very nice places and filming their videos. Let me reassure you, you don't need much to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you just 4 basic things you need. You may start your YouTube channel without even spending money. Yes, I mean without spending anything, just using what you have. The first thing you need is to have a YouTube account, and I'm sure you already have it, because if you are watching this video now at home on your phone or any other device, certainly for you to have this YouTube account, for you to have access to this YouTube video, you may be having already a YouTube account, or if not, you already have a Gmail account which you can use to create your YouTube account very easily. Yes, now if you already have a YouTube account which you are using just to watch videos, to like and subscribe to people's channels, you can use that very account to start your own YouTube channel. But I will advise you to create a new YouTube account. So create a new Gmail account and use that Gmail account to create a YouTube account. There are several advantages to it, because if you have an already existing Gmail account, maybe some people know about it already, or maybe your password is not as strong as it should be. Now the next thing you need is filming equipment. Yes, you may, as I said, you may be telling yourself you don't have a camera. Yes, I don't have a camera. This video you are watching is being filmed on my Android device. So if you have an Android phone, then you are good to go to start filming your videos. You don't need to have fancy video quality. Your video quality doesn't need to be very high for a beginning. Yes, you can start with what you have, and with time you upgrade your equipment. With time, I'm going to of course use a camera, a good camera, but for now I am doing this YouTube channel with what I have. I don't want to let anything stop me. I don't know when I will buy a camera, so I prefer using what I have for now. I stated for so many years I would have started my YouTube channel. I would have started my first YouTube channel about 2 years ago, but I had the same excuses. I was giving myself the same excuses for not starting the channel. But when I watched many YouTubers who encouraged me through their videos to start my own YouTube channel, I then decided to jump into it. And why not? It is going to help people. So the aim is to help people. If your video is valuable, your content is valuable, then the quality of the video is not the most important part. Now what is important is your audio. People need to hear what you're saying. So if your Android phone, if you can spare a little bit of money to buy a mic, yes, it will be better. It will be better, guys, because your audio can make people leave your video, because the audio is very, very important compared to the images that they see. So if your audio is not very good, you can still start with it actually, but with time, think of buying a mic. A simple lavalier mic like this doesn't cost much, so you can just spare a little bit of money to buy a lavalier mic, and that will be just enough. Another thing you need is filming space, and this is where so many people are scared of starting a YouTube channel. I wasted a lot of time to start a channel, and even when I started the first channel, I had to stop filming videos because I was so uncomfortable. I didn't have a good filming environment, and I decided to stop filming because I was uncomfortable with my videos, how they look like. I started paying attention to some YouTubers, these young YouTubers who film videos, and their channels, they were growing their channels in front of me. I followed a YouTuber for about 3 months, and she monetized her channel in just 3 months. But her background was a very simple background, just a plain wall. She would film her videos on a plain wall. Wow, I said to myself, why did I stop uploading videos on my YouTube channel? Because of my background. So please take a look at YouTubers who are growing on YouTube. You'll find that there are some who don't have a very good background. They make do with very little things, but they are growing their YouTube channel. So this should not stop you. You need a filming space. That is true. For me, I like filming where I'm alone, where nobody listens to what I'm saying. I'm more comfortable like this. So you can film in your bedroom. You can film anywhere it's possible for you to be in a quiet environment. If you have a quiet environment at home, in any part of your home, you can make a filming, prepare a filming space there. Now, there are other YouTubers I see who film their videos in their vehicles. If you have a vehicle, you can film your videos in a vehicle, or you can go to other places. I see a lot of YouTubers now doing videos out of the house. Videos like sit and talk videos, where they go out and they film their videos outside. So you can do the same. Whatever works for you, whatever you're comfortable with, do it. Just don't let anything stop you from starting your channel. The last thing you need is a video editing software or an app that you download in your phone. If you have a computer, you can download these video editing tools. Now, there are several video editing tools. There are some very difficult to use for a beginner, so I will advise you to use those that are easy, like CapCut. There are many of these apps that are free. As I said, you can use just what you have, and you can get free tools for your video editing. So CapCut is the best free video editing tool now, being in use now. It is true that many of the features are already in the pro version, but it is still available in the free version at the moment. As I'm filming this video, I'm going to edit it with a CapCut app. So you can download the CapCut app in your phone, and then you edit your videos on your phone. In the future, I'm going to make videos on how to create a good Gmail account for your YouTube channel, and on how to edit your videos using the CapCut app. If you really want to film your videos without stress, then you need to look to get a tripod stand or a phone stand. It is very important. But if your videos are shaking, then you have difficulties having people view your videos. But if you can't really afford it, it's okay. Just look for a way to position your phone in such a way that the phone doesn't have to shake. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.